और एक इल्ज़ाम है कि आपने ढेर सारे कश्मीरी पंडितों की जान ली है।
जी।
कितने लोगों को मारा होगा आपने?
20-25।
अगर वो आपसे कहते कि अपने सगे भाई को मार दो तो?
मार देते।
और आपसे आपकी माँ को मारने के लिए कहते तो मार देते?
मार देते।
Kashmir has never been an integral part of India, and this is a historical fact. Kashmir!
अपना धर्म बदलो, भागो क्या मर जाओ।
कश्मीर के मसले का एक ही हल, अल जिहाद। एक ही आवाज।
लेकिन क्या कश्मीरी पंडितों को वापस अपने घर कश्मीर जाने का मौका मिलेगा? Is this justice?
So almost 3 crore people have seen this film, and almost all of them they cry after seeing the film. They say sorry to Kashmiri Hindus, and they see it in pin drop silence. 700,000 Hindus do not live in Kashmir today, which is their original land, because of Hinduphobia. They were killed in the name of the religion. Ralev, Galev, Shalev. It meant convert to Islam or run or die. This is how this war was fought. Now they are blaming me of Islamophobia.
Claim of realism, that this film is based on realistic fact. It is a very, very crafty film. It's a what you call propaganda film of the state. And therefore it is very crafty and kind of an agenda-based film. The involvement of the state, civil society, local right-wing organizations, and the cinema reviewers. It creates a kind of an ecosystem in which this film is projected as the only realistic film on such an important issue. And that kind of projection also created some kind of what they call nationalist uproar around that film, suggested that if you're not watching this film, then probably you are not part of the what you call nationalist ecosystem.